Whether or not Salesforce CRM is good for a small business is decided completely by how big the small business really wants to grow, which again is decided by the market size or the total available market and total serviceable market that the small business or the startup wants to serve. Let's discuss in this video the top 5 reasons why a small business should not go for Salesforce CRM, and also very important reasons why they should. My name is Chandan and I am registered Salesforce and HubSpot consultant, and I am going to answer the question that almost all my small and mid-sized businesses customers have been asking at the initial level of their project, which is CRM implementation. What I'm going to talk to you about comes from my experience as well as my clients' observation. Also, at the end of the video, I will share with you a free worksheet that you can use to evaluate any CRM. So just download the worksheet and go through all the points which I've mentioned, and all the features that you require will help you decide the CRM that you're evaluating is good for you or not. So without much further ado, let's get started. So bigger the market size that your business is planning to serve, the more complexity you invite into your business, which certainly is a good thing, which of course, given that the bigger the market you serve, the more revenue you make, because of course you get more customers and more orders. But if you are serving a small market, then you should look into these factors before going for Salesforce CRM. Factors which are very common, observed by my clients as well as by myself. Factors which help us decide for or against Salesforce CRM. Factor number 1, cost. Of course, you might have guessed it. Salesforce can be relatively expensive, especially for small businesses with limited budgets and self-funding. While there is a Salesforce Essential Edition available by the Salesforce guys for small companies, the cost related with additional features, customization, and the licenses may become a concern and problem in your bottom line. So apart from cost, the next factor is complexity. The robust features and capabilities of Salesforce CRM, which is beneficial for larger enterprises, may be more than what a small business needs. The complexity of a platform might be overwhelming for small teams with fewer resources and very simpler sales processes. Factor number 3 is the steep learning curve. Salesforce has a learning curve, and the time and effort required to train employees on how to use the platform might be a challenge for small businesses that need to adapt quickly. Same applies for the startups as well. They need to basically see if they can really invest the time required for learning. Next, which my clients have been mentioning quite often, is overkill for simple requirements. A local training institute with set number of students in neighborhood is a simple business structure, as you can see. If a small business has relatively straightforward sales and customer management needs, the extensive capabilities of Salesforce might be considered an overkill. In such cases, a simpler CRM solution might be more suitable and easier to manage. Next observation by my clients is resource constraints. Small businesses may lack dedicated IT support or Salesforce experts or Salesforce admin as they call it, making it challenging to optimize and maintain the CRM platform effectively. So these are the factors mostly observed by my clients and of course by myself, which decides against Salesforce CRM. However, is Salesforce CRM really not good for small businesses? No, it's not like that. Let's see that now. The top factor which actually makes any business go for Salesforce CRM is scalability. So recently, one of my clients who had started marketing globally really got stuck when the customers and orders increased. Their existing CRM literally stopped working. Well, this can never happen with Salesforce and can never happen with Salesforce. Salesforce is known for its scalability. As a small business grows, Salesforce CRM can adapt to the increasing complexity of processes and data management, making it long-term solution. And Salesforce actually is being used for long-term solutions. It all depends upon your business plan. Where all do you want to start selling? Next thing is customization, for which you should go for Salesforce CRM. Salesforce provides a high level of customization, allowing small businesses to tailor the CRM to their specific needs. This flexibility is valuable for adapting the platform to unique business processes. Apart from these two, there certainly are other reasons like comprehensive features, security and compliances if you're serving global markets, training support which you can get if you use Salesforce, which of course is really great. Ultimately, the decision to use Salesforce CRM or any CRM platform should be based on the specific goals, needs and the constraints of small businesses, which of course I mean your ultimate vision. So that's all about Salesforce CRM, why you should and why should not go for Salesforce CRM as a small business or a startup. And now the worksheet I was talking to you about. Please go through the description, you'll find the link, download it after submitting the form. Please share your comments and let me know if you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you think this video gives you information that you also want others to know. See you in my next. Have a nice day.